expansion, land killing taking place. Do you think there should be a watertight law where this trend has to be arrested in Goa?
See, every 10 years the regional plan opens and some land is given for, additional land is given for construction. There is orchard which is changed into settlement. आणि जो लास्ट रिजनल प्लॅन आसलो आमी 2001 जो सोंपता म्हणटाले तो 2011 पासून तोच चालू आसलो. म्हणजे इट वॉज लेट बाय 10 years. अँड 2021 प्लॅन जो सुरवात जाल्ली तो 2011 सुरवात जाली तो 21 सोंपलो. आता आमी 23 पावले. सो आय फील दॅट विलेज वायज प्लॅन तेतूसय उलयलां हांवें. विलेज वायज प्लॅन सुरवात जावपाची गरज आहा. अँड वीच एरिया कॅन बी ओपन फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट should be marked in that plan and sent to government, and after due process those plans should be notified.